Good morning everyone. This is Poonamya, your SSC teacher from Vishwa School Una. Dear students, today we will discuss exercise of chapter Rise of New Religions. So let's start. First question of this chapter is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First part is the Upanishads were composed around, we have four options: 600 BCE, 700 BCE, 800 BCE and 900 BCE. So right answer of this question is 600 BCE. Means the Upanishads were composed around 600 BCE. Second part of this question is there are about dash number of total Upanishads. So we have four options. A option is 100, B option is 105, C option is 108 and D option is 110. So I hope all of you know the answer of this question, that C part is the right answer, 108. There are about 108 number of total Upanishads. So now we will move to third part of this question. Third part is in Jainism there are references of dash Tirthankars before Vardhaman Mahavira. तो वर्धमान महावीर के पहले कितने तीर्थंकर हुए थे? वर्धमान महावीर आपको पता है कि 24 तीर्थंकर थे, तो उनसे पहले कितने हुए थे? 23. So answer of this question is in Jainism there are references of 23 Tirthankars before Vardhaman Mahavira. So let's move to fourth part. Fourth part of this question is in Jainism the term Kaivalya means gaining. कैवल्य का मीनिंग बताना है आपको. ए पार्ट इज परफेक्ट लाइफ, बी इज परफेक्ट नॉलेज, सी इज परफेक्ट फूड, डी इज परफेक्ट क्लोथ्स. सो विच इज द राइट आंसर? द राइट आंसर इज परफेक्ट नॉलेज. In Jainism, the term Kaivalya means gaining perfect knowledge. Part 5 of this question is dash was one of the 5 doctrines said to be added by Mahavira. तो फोर्थ तो डॉक्ट्रिन्स जो थी वो पहले ही थी, जो फेथ थे उनके. फिफ्थ जो थी वो महावीरा ने ऐड की थी. फोर ऑप्शंस वी हैव. ए ऑप्शन इज डू नॉट स्पीक अ लाई, बी ऑप्शन इज डू नॉट स्टील, सी ऑप्शन इज ऑब्जर्व सेलिबेसी एंड डी ऑप्शन इज नॉन वायलेंस. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज सी, ऑब्जर्व सेलिबेसी. Means observe celibacy was one of the 5 doctrines said to be added by Mahavira. Celibacy means unmarried life को lead करना, means ब्रह्मचर्य को अपनाना. Now we will discuss part B, fill in the blanks. So part B is first part, Buddha attained enlightenment at dash. Means बुद्ध को ज्ञान की प्राप्ति कहाँ हुई? Answer of this question is Buddha attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. Second part of this question, B part is Buddha preached in the dash language. तो किस लैंग्वेज में उन्होंने अपने जो मॉरल टॉक्स की थी? दैट इज प्राकृत लैंग्वेज. प्राकृत वहाँ के लोगों की लोकल लैंग्वेज थी, तो उन्होंने उसी लैंग्वेज में प्रीच किया जो अपने उपदेश दिए. Now we will discuss C part of this question. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. So first part is people in the later Vedic age had to perform rituals suggested by Brahmins. So you have to tell the right answer. It is true. People in the later Vedic age had to perform rituals suggested by the Brahmins is true answer. Second part of this question is Upanishads dealt with philosophical questions in the form of dialogues. So it is true answer. Third part of this question is Buddha gave his first sermon at Bodh Gaya. So it is true or false? It is false. Buddha gave his first sermon at Sarnath. That is the right answer. Okay. So I hope these question answers are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.